Following Walmart's announcement to end the selling of handgun ammunition in their stores yesterday, one gun shop owner is saying the store is being hypocritical. Owner of Bob's Guns, Bob McDowell, believes there will be some increases in stores that do sell the ammunition. He says overall he does not think that there will be a huge bearing on the industry, adding the store's decision to continue to carry rifle ammunition again is hypocritical.
What it is saying to guys like myself is they are succumbing to pressure from the anti-gun faction of our society.
Walmart also publicly asking gun carriers to no longer open carry in their stores. The Peach Street Walmart declined to comment if this discontinuation will affect the store.